Hello guys, and welcome to the first Python Kivy tutorial. In this tutorial we want to in this video I try the rest of video I'm using Python model Kivy and how can create a self window and how we can define the model Kivy and how we can create a widget. We can use name, last name and email as browser, and admin can receive our message directly by Python. I am Habibullah Masumi. Although all of you know about Kivy, essentially Kivy is a cross-platform compatible GUI. Actually, it allows us to create graphical user interface that works on not on only Windows but Mac and Linux and Android. So that means that all of our applications are scalable and all of those platforms, and we have to do very many. For those of you guys who want to create like this app and stuff for your phone, you can do it with this using Python. I'm using Python. It's easier and easier. We can create apps by phone application for phone. So before we be using Python, we should install Kivy in the first. One last thing, if you guys don't already have installed, what you need to do is just type pip install pyk, and after that go to the terminal in here and write down pip install Kivy and run. Because I have installed Kivy before, I do not need to install again it. If some text comes out, it's fine. Just make that sure it's not an error. Next thing what we need to do is actually should import this attribute. Import Kivy from the other one, import RAM, from Kivy app, import app, should import this attribute and import this attribute. We need to do them in the next. So now create a class. I'm gonna call this my app. Okay, is gonna inherit from app. Now essentially what this is gonna to do, it means we are gonna take all the properties that we have already been writing for us from Kivy. From this class we are gonna use them inside our class. Now the only things we need to do actually write in this class to find bold. We have got a class, we have got a window with my app by the name app, inside the bracket app, and define bold that app. We have created this file by the name my app.py, and it defines just this app. And then I think self is actually all we need. We are gonna do here is we're just gonna return something, and that's what we are gonna get to now. So what we have to do now is we have to import like widgets and our labels and all that from Kivy. So these are the things that we are gonna throw onto our screen have already created for us from Kivy, but we just need to import them so that we can reference them directly, so that we were gonna do this we do. And here from Kivy.uix dot labels import labels. The label, which is actually a folder we are going to import the label Python models, and then we are going to import the class label from that model, so that now what we are going to do inside of this app here is just we are going to type read label, and inside that label it takes a parameters of text. After defining bold app, we can return to label, and inside the bracket we can write different sentences. For example, that we can write different sentences. Now, the last thing we need to do is, and we will talk about what just doing in it in if underscore underscore name underscore underscore is equal to double equal inside the quotation underscore underscore main underscore underscore uncode. For creating a new window, we should run the application my app inside rocket.run the application. We can write here for creating a new window or new widget. Let's quickly just deconstruct what we have actually done. So we have imported a main app that actually window do all the graphics for us. It's gonna do all that really low level. We can run the application. It's the new window we have created by importing the attribute and cause. Is the first tutorial of Kivy. In the next videos of this tutorial we will talk about the Kivy language, how we can create a paragraph, how we can create a table, we can use Kivy, and how we can send message to the main admin, and we can create a complete application for phone and web. If you guys are interested to see the next video with these tutorials, please leave like and subscribe my channel to see you the next video.